This, that, these, those. This is a marker. That's a marker. These are markers. Those are markers. This is a bird. It's a bird. These are flowers. They're flowers. That is a windmill. It's a windmill. Those are windmills. They're windmills. There are 3 windmills. What is this? It's a clock. What's that? It's a clock. What is this? It's a backpack. What's this? It's a light bulb. What are these? They're light bulbs. What's this? It's a CD. What are these? They're CDs. What's that? It's a gate. What's that? I don't know what it is. What's that? I think it's a steam shovel, but I'm not sure.